If you are looking to seriously level up your outdoor security game today, you are in the right place. We are diving into a full review of the absolute powerhouse for home and business protection, the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus newest model in a sleek white finish. Right out of the box, this thing is built to look modern while acting as a massive deterrent. It packs crystal clear 1080p HD video and connects straight to your existing wiring, which means you get reliable, non-stop coverage without ever worrying about recharging a battery. What makes this model special is how smart it is. The advanced motion-activated floodlights are incredibly bright, instantly lighting up your driveway, backyard, or storefront the second anyone steps onto your property. Plus, with customizable motion zones in the Ring app, you can easily map out exactly what areas you want to watch while ignoring busy streets or sidewalks. You also get color night vision, clear two-way talk-to-speak with visitors, and a loud, remote-activated security siren to scare away unwelcome guests. It is simple, incredibly effective, and gives you total peace of mind directly from your phone. If you want to grab one of these for your property and secure a fantastic deal, make sure to click the link below for the best price. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.